The best side hustle to earn passive income, in my opinion, is to start a digital product store on Etsy. Now, Etsy is the biggest platform in the world for selling digital products. Millions of people come here all the time. And it's a marketplace where consumers buy things all the time for many different reasons. And digital products are probably the best things to actually sell because you don't need to sell anything, send anything. You just need to upload it and it's downloaded by the customer. So now there are many types of digital products to sell, from digital planners to ebooks to AI art. And for me, I would say the best thing to sell in 2026 would probably be something called clip arts. And they're literally designs created using AI tools. And the reason why I think that they're the best is because they're easy to create and it's very easy to scale in your store. And on today's video, I'm going to show you an example of a store that within 2 years has scaled to a really nice monthly passive income, and that's something that you could realistically do yourself. So check this out. Now on my screen, I'm on an Etsy store. Now this is a clip art store. It's been open for 2 years. You can see it here. And at the moment, if I go to analyze, you can see that it's earned a total revenue of approximately 216,000, and at the moment it's earning around $3,821 dollars per month, right? Fantastic monthly passive income. And this is something realistically you could also do. Now, let me just explain something. This store sells various, I guess, sets or bundles, we call it, of designs. And you can see an example of these here, these woodland friend animals. And you can see a bundle of 78 designs. Now, remember, these can be created using AI tools. And I will put a link to my recommendations in the video description. But they can be created anything from, say, 15 to say 30 seconds each image. So they can be done quite quickly. They can look quite professional, and that can be done quite quick. Now, you can see there's lots and lots of different sets, if you like, in different, if you like, niches, we call it. So you got your fairy garden designs, you got fairyland, you got boho woodland. Now, yes, if you look at the pricing, you'll see that they're around, after the discount, after the sale price, are about $5. Now, that's quite common and they can go for that money. Obviously, it varies slightly, but they do go for around that. And this is about listing up in different niches. Here you can see quite a few of those kind of Christmassy style ones, obviously geared up for the Christmas time, but you can see many different niches within it, from Santa to, you got these teddy Christmas style ones, and these other ones. There's so many different types actually. So if you go into a sort of niche like Christmas, then obviously you can go into sub niches. So within it, you can go into various things, whether it be Santa related, reindeer related, gingerbread related, whatever it is. And then even that has different offshoots where you can do in different sort of style colors. It can be in that pink pastel style, or it can be in that rustic or vintage style. So even the styles of design can vary, which makes it such which gives you the ability to create many different sets. And this is the beauty about this, because there are many people with different tastes. So you're literally listing up for many different people. And the idea about this business is that you create sets or bundles within various themes, and that's how you sort of slowly get that income. Now, it's about building blocks. So obviously each of these are about $5 after the sale, and sometimes you might make $50 a month per listing. You might make 100, you might make 200, and it's a numbers game. So if I look on the side, you can see they have 274 listings, right? Which means they have 274 kind of sets of these. Now you have to imagine that some of these might not sell very well, some might not sell at all, some might sell very well, but the average is what gives you the amount that you get on a monthly income, as long as you keep listing up. So this is literally a logical, practical numbers game, right? As long as you list up and you are consistent in your design listing, which you can do using the AI tools, like I said, check out the link below, then you can, and having your own sort of style and design. You can see this seller has their own unique sort of style. Even the writing in the middle, they people can see that it belongs to the seller. So it's almost like it's branded, and this is a brand that you need to also think about. This is a shop, a digital shop that is branded, that customers that have bought on here probably will come back and buy again. And that's the beautiful thing about this, is you get that repeat business. But there are many different strategies on how to do this properly, and the steps and the processes to actually get to this stage. So if you're interested in knowing how to start a clip art business similar to this, then do check out the link below. I do have a step-by-step process on how to start a business like this. So let's get into the analysis a little bit more. So let me go to analyze, and I'm going to go to clicked on listings. Now, like I said, you will see that different listings will get different varying amounts of money. Okay, so I've just clicked sort the revenue. Now remember, this is using my go-to research SEO tool, and you do need some research tool to actually help you do your research and find out what the competition is doing and various other things. So do check out Everbee. The link is in my description. Absolutely fantastic research tool. So you can see how I've sorted it in terms of from no revenue, and you can see there's quite a few listings that are not earning any money, which is quite normal, by the way, because like I said, it's a balancing effect. It balances out. So when I sort it the other way, you can see that the top earning, you can see that the top earning listing right now is about $307. Then it goes to 279, 247, and so forth. And that's very normal, very natural. Remember, it's a collective. It's about the, what everything earns collectively. Some will earn $200, some will earn 50, 40, $30, and some won't earn anything. But the more you list up, the more chances you have of increasing. And this is what I mean. It's literally a numbers game. This is what it is. It's a completely a numbers game. The more you list up, the more opportunity you have to earn. Now, some will earn more than others for various reasons. Maybe it might be saturation reasons. The algorithm, the Etsy algorithm pushes it in various places. You've done your SEO really well so that it actually, is in those really good keywords that are searched by the customer. It might be something where the mock-ups are really working really, really well. And so people are clicking on it and they're converting really well. There are so many different reasons why listings sell and why listings don't. So you do have to have consistency and you do have to be patient. But in the end, if you follow the steps, then you can earn yourself a fantastic amount of money, of passive income. And like I said, this is something where you upload and the customer just downloads. And really, that is it. You don't need to ship anything or send anything. So, as I said, if you're interested in a business like this, do check out the link below. And if you like the video, please drop me a comment and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.